here. I am all messed up right here. What's going on? We're all over the place right now. We are all over the place right now. Happy Thursday, y'all. Happy Thursday, y'all. If you've seen the title, we are almost clear to this 100 tier on Contraband on Blackout. Like, what? Look at that. Got that beautiful skin, that beautiful Queen's Guard skin. We're almost clearing this right here. Look at that. Not bad. Operation Absolute. Can't talk Thursday morning. Operation Absolute Zero. We're almost finished. We're almost at that 100 tier. I like it. Let's get it in, boys and girls. Let's get it in. Is there any celebrity news I need to update you guys on? Is there any celebrity news I need to update you on? Lady Gaga saying that she says sorry for working for R. Kelly, and she's gonna remove that song she did with R. Kelly, "What You Want," from all the streaming services. In the statement, the singer and actor said she's sorry for working with R. Kelly in the wake of the recent Lifetime documentary series, which details decades of sexual abuse allegations against the R&B artist. Okay. She announced she will pull the song "What You Want" from streaming platforms. Oof, pressure, R. Kelly. What do you guys think of this whole R. Kelly situation? It's crazy. Have you seen the Lifetime documentary series? Give me your thoughts. Let me clear this 100 tier. Clear this 100 tier. This is not my skin here. There we go.
Battery reporting in.
There we go. That's my skin.
How's it hanging?
To the right.
How's it hanging?
To the right. Whoa. Whoa, bro.
You got smoke, son. So,
Need an assist. I copy. Blackout. Infiltrate, engage, and destroy.
Hook up and head out. Lifter 1-1, moving on drop path.
I'm not going to hijack. Fuck that.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to indicated safe zone is advised.
How you doing over there?
Pretty clear over here. Like nobody's over here.
I think it's the same way, but we'll see. There's also nothing really over here for loot, so
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
in real life, though, there's jack shit over here.
Copy.
Oh, but feel poop coming on.
Oof. Never good.
Oh, it's always good. I like when I shit.
I'm saying during the gameplay.
Oh, yeah. But it's morning, I just had my coffee.
Copy.
Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Heaven to the best of us.
See, that's a coffee commercial I could get behind. Poop. Sometimes it happens.
Oh, yeah. Got my tacticals. I got a bot, so I'm looking pretty.
Copy. Is that purple? Oh, look at you. There's plenty of loot over here, purple. Oh, blue.
You gonna go pick him up? I thought he was with you guys, sorry.
We're gonna avenge him, dude. We're gonna avenge him right now, dude. Level 2 armor on me.
You might want to take this.
Circle.
Oh, we gotta go. I did not.
You got it, purple. Oh, should be good. Oh, you didn't get on purple? Hmm.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
I got my sensor guard on.
Yeah, I'm on. I'm almost there. I'll get on.
Well, no, here, I'll go scope it out, make sure nobody can run it.
Alright, well, I guess we don't have to get on right there.
Yeah. Look for red on my ship.
Supply drop inbound.
Because I'm kind of busy driving.
The one to your right? One to your right.
You're right. You're right.
You're way over there.
We're just gonna run right up on him. I don't see him. Oh, I'm getting shot at. Uh-oh, getting shot at. Where they at? Across the river. Oh, yeah.
Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
What do you mean behind?
I got him. Behind us. Gosh darn it. Yeah. GG's. It's a tough game, real tough game. Yeah, Lady Gaga had to remove What You Want because of the whole sexual abuse allegations. And of course the We Rise protest. Hey, made it 66! The We Rise protest at his studio in Chicago. Apparently he's getting evicted. R. Kelly's getting evicted from his own studio at Chicago because of the We Rise protest. It's getting real. It's getting real. It's getting real for R. Kelly. What else is in the news right now, huh? What else is in the news? Ooh, The Sopranos. We had a reunion there. You ever watch The Sopranos? Or is it just too of an old show? We're almost close to that 100 tier. Look at that. We are almost clear. I liked Sopranos. I didn't think it was like a great show, but I liked it. What's this Punisher thing? Ooh, season 2 of the Punisher. Season 2 of the Punisher.
Blackout. Training time's over. Go to work.
Lancer 1-2, bay doors are open. Exit when ready. Flying mission deployment path.
I see one guy, back end. Where you going? Where you going, buddy?
Damn orange already fucking died.
There's body bags out here, bros. There's body bags out here, boss.
Oh, I'm fucking, yeah, my body bag.
Oh, my bad, man. Darn it.
I just made it. Nah, you good, man.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated safe zone.
Died.
Did you make that song, dude? That song was beautiful, bro.
Good luck, bro. Shit. #1 in the billboards, man.
Oh, what? I didn't know we were playing with an artist, dude.
Oh, I know you seen that guy. Oh, you stupid. Quiere bailar. Get it, Tony.
Say my name, dude.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
How many dubs you got, Mr. FU?
I think only like 26.
20.
I got stopped.
Yeah, I don't know that much about range.
Good shots.
Last man standing. Bring this home.
Oh, glitch it. Uh-oh. Got a sensor dart. Got a sensor dart.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
Woo! That dude wanted it. That guy wanted it. I like that, dude. I like that, dude. Let's see if we clear that 100 tier. Let's see if we clear that 100 tier. Yeah, The Punisher Season 1. I love The Punisher Season 1. Season 2 of The Punisher comes out on Netflix 18th? Yeah, yep. The Punisher comes out January 18th. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah, dude. Let's see. Oh, we're so close. Clearing that 100 tier, bro. I'm about to clear that 100 tier, bro. Oh, ice blocks, huh? Let's go, dude. Jonathan Burflaw, or I don't know. I'm butchering his name, but the guy from The Walking Dead, he's really good in it. You guys still watch Walking Dead? After they killed that Asian guy, I was like, I'm done, dude.
Blackout. Mission clock is running. Go, go, go.
This is it. You're cleared to deploy.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated safe zone.
Nah, qué mentira, brother. De verdad que esto es una mentira. 300.000 disparos. Mira, este vino a matarme aquí. Vino a matarme.
It's just you and me. Fight for the win.
Argentina también lo mataron.
Supply drop inbound.
I'm always playing solo squads. I'm always playing solo squads. Cause dudes get killed so fast. Cause dudes get killed so fast. Dudes get killed so fast. Shoot with a can or with a shotty? I'll rock with a shotty. Break it. Whoa. Need some attachments. Oof. Never mind. Never mind. Drop a couple things here.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Get to safety. Bunch of swats out here. Not a scope or anything. Whoa, that was crazy. No scope or anything. So thirsty in the games. Bunch of sweaties in these games, bruh. Whoa, we're still trying to kill me? Really? Where are these guys, bro? Oh, there they are. Thing's about to blow up here. Better get off here. Whoa, there's a bunch of them. Oh, get up! Oh, darn it. See if we cleared that 100 tier. See if we cleared that 100 tier. Yeah, I can't wait for Season 2 of The Punisher, January 18th. I'm done with The Walking Dead, though. Let's see. Oh, boom, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Clearing the 100. We're clearing hundreds there. We're clearing tiers over here. Hell yeah, dude. Clearing that 100 tier, bro. It's just a self high five. A self high five. Heck yeah, bro. Also, we're reliable. That's dope, dude. That's dope, bro. Oh, yeah, dude. Nice, dude. You have completed all tiers for Operation Absolute Zero. You will now enter the the tier, and continue to earn items from reserves until the next operation begins. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hell yeah, bros. Hell yeah, bros. Boom. We're clearing it, bros. If you like this video, please smash that follow button and smash that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Keep shocking us, bros. Keep shocking us, bros. And gals.